Julie Williamson, a managing partner and co-owner of Karrikins Group. Karrikins Group is a boutique consultancy focused on activating leaders to lead together to achieve ambitious goals. Our work inspires leadership teams to align and work together on their own change journeys as they drive growth in their organizations. Our best client is a frustrated leader, someone who knows their team could be doing more, better, faster. If you aren't reaching your goals as a company or as a team, we have a solution. Because of the work we do, I've had the opportunity to engage with leaders around the world, and these are 5 things I think all C-suite executives should keep in mind. First, stay in the mindset of every decision is a next step, not a last step. Whatever path you head down, you will learn more as you go, and that will inform the next step and the one after that. It's okay if your next step is a misstep. If you're smart, capable, and resourceful, you will figure out how to move forward productively. Second, understand the data, trust your gut. You are never going to find enough data to make big strategic decisions risk-free. At some point, you have to move forward and learn, adapt, and adjust as you go. I always ask myself if I'm looking for more data to provide missing insight or to reassure myself about the decision. If I've reached the point where I'm just looking for reassurance, I know I'm depending too much on the data. Third, make trade-offs visible. Don't just assume that people know what's influencing a decision. When people understand the tough trade-offs that are being made, it makes it easier for them to support a difficult direction. Taking the time to talk with people about the trade-off and the challenge it presents helps them to align and deliver with you. Fourth, politics are just human dynamics playing out right in front of you. People throw the word politics around a lot, but it really boils down to how effective the team is at communicating, debating, disagreeing, and then aligning and delivering together. If you feel like someone's playing politics, it's your responsibility to make it visible and commit to working on it together as a team rather than letting it fester in silence. Fifth, executive alignment is the difference between success and failure. If you take the time to build a great executive leadership team that is aligned and delivering together, you are going to do amazing things together. Plus, you're going to have a lot more fun in your role in the C-suite. Those are my 5 things, and I'm going to close with this bonus one. Don't forget, if you aren't consistently looking forward to Monday, you might need to rethink what you're doing. This really should be something that is energizing and that you feel enthusiastic about doing every day because you work too hard and you spend too much time with your leadership team for it to not be fun.